Hi, so we're going to make another low friction magnetically assisted bearing, but this time from knitting needles. And because what we need to do is make ourselves a cradle, and of course making ourselves a cradle I'm going to use this foam board, which I call Builder's Board. It's Fascia Soffit, or you can buy it as Sintra board in the US, and it glues incredibly well with super glue. So the first thing we need to do is make up our cradle. That's the cradle made. Couple of seconds, and I've got two bits of aluminium that I'm going to glue onto the cradle there and on the opposite side. But before I glue them on, I want to indent a little notch in this one, punch a little indentation in. There you go, that'll do it. Now let's glue them on. Okay, so now we've done that, we need to glue a magnet onto the outside here and the outside there. And you want to have them in north-south so that they're attracting each other. Stick a bit of glue on there and glue it onto the back of your aluminium. And then the same with the other one. So when your magnets have dried, you stick a whole stack of other magnets on there. You won't quite know yet, but you put some on there, and then you take your knitting needle. Now your needle has to be steel. Put the point of the needle in the indentation that you made, and it'll just hang there. If it actually sags a little bit, put another magnet on there or bend that a little bit closer. But the whole thing is now bearing on this point here. So if we put a little daisy wheel on it, there we go. Give that daisy wheel a blow. And it turns super easy. Now, it's going to perform better if you use something like a darning needle, for instance, because a point is so much finer. Or you could make this point finer by turning it down or filing it to a really fine point, or put a drop of oil in there. That sort of thing is going to make this work a lot better. And I was thinking about a ballpoint pen head in there as well. It would also probably give a much better result because it's just such a finer point. But a straightforward knitting needle chopped off to fit and hung up like that makes a brilliantly magnetic assist low friction bearing where these low energy machines can be made to turn. Anyway, I thought I would share that with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.